Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video I am going to take you with me to Hobby Lobby to show you my favorite greenery to get. They finally restocked a bunch of greenery, so I thought this would be the perfect time. If you enjoy this kind of video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. The first greenery is lamb's ear. Surprise, surprise. I use this all the time, and many of my best sellers are made with lamb's ear. I have a tutorial in my shop on how to make a lamb's ear wreath. If you're interested, I will link it below. I also have some videos showing how I change up a basic lamb's ear wreath for other seasons. I just love the soft texture and the beautiful color. It goes with so many different things. Next is the mixed eucalyptus bush. I love how it has lots of different textures all in one spot. I love using this for a greenery wreath and different seasonal wreaths, especially for fall and Christmas. I really like these olive branches. They make a great filler, and the olives add a nice pop of interest as well. Don't you think it's funny when they spread out the greenery with one stem per bucket so it doesn't look empty? You're not fooling anyone. There's a lot of great eucalyptus options at Hobby Lobby. Another one I use often is the silver dollar eucalyptus bush. This is probably my favorite aisle in the entire store, especially when there's so much greenery in stock. This rounded leaf bush is another of my favorites, and it adds such a great texture. I add it to so many different wreaths. Of course, we can't forget about the Magnolia Bush. I use these all the time. I've even got 3 different Magnolia wreath tutorials here on my YouTube channel, if you're interested. The mixed forest bush is another great greenery that I love to use. It's a wonderful filler greenery. I've got several tutorials here on YouTube using this. It's the main greenery in one of my fall wreaths, the fall pumpkin and hydrangea wreath. It's such a great greenery. This trailing lotus bush is amazing and great for adding texture and a bit of wild and natural look to wreaths. Plus, you get a lot of greenery in just one bush. Isn't it so pretty? I love this variegated leaf bush. It adds a really pretty cottage look to a wreath with the long flowy branches. One of the first wreath tutorials I made for my VIP group was actually using this greenery. This eucalyptus bush is another favorite. See, I told you there's a lot of great eucalyptus. This is another great filler, or you could make a whole wreath out of it. I don't use garlands often anymore, but if you want to make a mini wreath, they can be really helpful. The nice thing about this lamb's ear garland is you can always find it half off. The ones in the wedding section are 50% off one week, and the ones in the regular garland section are 50% off the opposite week. I can't tell the difference between them, can you? Which one of these was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!